Good morning mga partners, Alan Esmeralda here, DXN partner po since 2001 and today we will unbox itong bagong product ng DXN, ang DXN Combi. So ano ba itong DXN Combi? Ang sinasabi po rito is ingredients. It's a water, sugar, fermented tea, meaning tea, that's good, it's fermented, and it has black tea and mulberry. So try po natin. This is ready to drink. At ang ginawa ko po, nilagyan ko muna ng ice at diretso na lang. So we will try half of this, mga partners. At okay, ayan. Ready to drink eh. So if I drink it twice, then I will put half today, half now and half later. Okay. Parang soft drinks talaga. At pwede. Sarap. So parang nakainom ka talaga ng soft drinks. At ang maganda, it's healthy beverage. So if you are a fan of going to the coffee shops na paborito po ninyo, this will cost about 220 or more. Might as well, eto na lang, no? Pare-pareho lang yung price, no? 400 for customers, pero dahil members po tayo, we get a discount. Try nyo lang at you will see. Ito, twice pa natin pwede gamitin. Ayan po, thank you.